In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Woocommerce product image size issue in just a few easy steps. Whether you're running an online store or just maintaining a personal blog, having the right image sizes can ensure that your site looks cohesive and professional. If you're ready, let's get started. First, we'll need to be on the WordPress platform, so go ahead and navigate to wordpress.com. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to dive into the settings. Next, on the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Appearance. Click on that. The Appearance section is crucial because it allows us to make visual adjustments to how our site looks. Within the Appearance menu, select Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, which provides various tools for changing how your site looks and feels. Once you're in the Customizer, you should see a variety of different options for customization. Look for Woocommerce and click on it. The Woocommerce settings are specifically designed for online stores, allowing us to adjust product displays and more. Now, within the Woocommerce section, you'll notice an option labeled Product Images. Go ahead and click on that. Here, in the Product Images panel, you'll be able to adjust different image size settings. This can have a major impact on how your products appear on your website. Look for the settings that allow you to modify the sizes of your catalog, thumbnail, and single product images. It's important to set these dimensions appropriately, based on your theme and the needs of your store. Making sure that your images are the right size will help them load quicker and appear clearer, giving your customers a better shopping experience. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to save and publish your changes. This step ensures that all your modifications are live on your site for visitors to see. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Woocommerce product image size issue. By following these simple steps, your online store should look more polished and be better optimized for all users. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.